nso aka ho anti yenu na ye no mama na me gidi say premier clubs no they should watch out for Israel Treman because he's also gone further. Players are or the money qualify a club no every ball premier no players are no more register according to him no a nipa 35 no wasan sone so ayi just 11 technical people no odoma ban say we recruit Mohamed Gago ena ni say training in stadium ni so we green grass o nye astroturf green natural grass so and what they are say na we recruit very powerful technical
Mohamed
Gago aba na ni odi omo qualify ewo ho or the third person be kan ho or the goalkeepers trainers and so aba then now he has players all over from I ECOWAS team na odi eba from Cote d'Ivoire from Burkina Faso Ghana ha even Ghana has a no teams are no more clubs are world region no bono region mo the instructor ye no nipa ni bebre fi clubs number from Bechem United from Brikum Arsenal from Diana Stars even region no top players ni bebre aba instructor what you say Kotogo players former Kotogo players bebre ko
Baba Mahama
he has players so boy be obi anim so ye good I'm say na say oye ni lante mana point ne call has what you need to call instructor interesting indeed the club that is coming no clubs that were also mugina ho no omo here no wa hwe ase
afin so atwama na papa
because na nia bono clubs na ye no they bono clubs na ye no ayese kania na kotoko are very stronger na omo wo nursing clubs like cornerstones no go first no ho anu mo twam ho enhia na mo feedi kotoko no say no in fact those days we are not even from bono
BA United before
kotoko sir what you say did I say in Ashanti Brahaf no na kotoko abi team ama ye nyina has be powerful no sanete ma wo
clubs no do
na clubs na e feedi wo na apart from that no so mko be bia so mko ball la na say o Accra nko bon o fa na be home
o ti Accra so bo away no
sir what you say that is what is going to happen bono say what you say right from Bechem audi rabuno no na sa na ebeba what you say now they are going to have 4 clubs in the league what you say in the BC it's something that we should
kasa na de ba abeboa insuatemati ko hu de onua ye
we Canada ho o say kefunu ball no na entertainment sports na entertainment ye ball abia ma anigye ene de nya anigye ngo so team we near yes it puts a smile on you and so on and ne de na ye hu no na me no ka so I'm happy what they are doing because you see kotoko be hold you kotoko be kotoko no nyina no na ye do a ifiri other regions no eba the kotoko was a melting pot who was and mu brunfo mu ibefo mu isrimfo mu what you say and my team be team gina that is what is happening there and also ma edin kabo mu ba football peja o baby a club ne peja o baby a eniyuma ba edinuma eba ho local economy no improved what you say and these are the things omo ya ade nso a don't forget at a point in time bunu ankasa no is produce mighty players kwasi usu danawusu ajimambedu o de bay nimu a George Atanom they used to be one outstanding player no Kwame Nsoa ono po de no fi bremai ba no mo fani sunwan Pele oboya be United ena ye obi I mean mum de na me fi say Kwame he had attained his climax but the back kotoko unfortunately back kotoko no be pray ti won me am mo anche se me go born be no o ye am so titi anko because I me know say you do be a when you na say na mu bu afi o hili ana yedin there was this BA coming so one more no more outstanding goalkeeper bi if any yawinsia one coming so one any fibre mai
nam ko bo BA
yawinsia had for yawinsia or da corners kakra be 3-4 years what they call Brahavo, and he was there for about 15 continuous years.
Wow.
He was their top keeper for about 15 years. So Georgia Tanum Opoku Sampene, who was very outstanding in Kotoko. Of being at the Bayou. And they almost produce outstanding players. They say clubs, no, yes, a bit Boama, Ghana. Also, let me ask out for players, even within the region. What I say? And I'll be Fidi Black Stars. And as we be so quite the teams, crowns or what you are.
You know, how come Black Stars are saying media? Nyoko Hun and Ra, and the league now, you're born Ghana. Hey, Obeka say, yes, squad they call World Cup. It be at 3 slots and now 2 slots. We say, oh, a demand local based players and a promote your league now.
Well, ideally, it means sufficient motivation. So, except that at the world stage, you know, and you try and error now, you want to put your best foot forward.
Absolutely.
The cream of your cream, no, now, what they call the coaches, you know. Yeah, and the Ukraine sometimes the munya daje emfa enhwe local leagues ni. So technical people look at selection into the team. Be a munya time call centers ni. Say mo follow no ya be with menya and no say me call no kreme hu omo training. But what I was told in they say omo abo the new stadium amaye no. Omo about 20 matches or wa. Obiansho. Which was most instructive. As man I may no more can I say a more than say a more for rowdies in Biamba. Now league center no a bay Waterloo for other clubs that are visiting. But woman Casadi a hobby or more fapping. Spectators no koye nyema yene banemo. Ukwa bontia bunze protection na mo no when you remember to do that you'll be badly exposed. You can say very disciplined. Of course. Me since the days of Bukat Saizi, I've grown to believe, say, my coach, you know, quite say on one young selection. So, follow league, you know, now on young selection, we produce the best results.
So, interference be anymore.
Interference be anymore. You remember? I said, Bukat, a bad Ghana. The stars who were coming up strongly. Ubako tukumwa na ye Judebra. What you say? Mark your say. Oko hazimwa na ye Shamokwe. So, and then when Bukat came and would be him say, Sankrofone na ebe bo
Black Stars.
So, what's the football is serious business now. Na here be also ye physically fit. No, mom ye fit. Remember? Okofa Amanom,
Senegal,
Ampere, Frimpong Manson. What you say? Big goo a chiriho, Pake in midfield. So, and we played Nigeria. So I mean, Nigeria will form. Now, you bono in the lead up to that. Nigeria for I team show 5-0, any 4-0. I feel here, you come correct because you're almost 7. I feel I'm the same one. Oppositions are 2-0, 3-1. Yeah, just one share ground there. And difference, goal difference 2. We can the best stop for you. Come on, stadium. So, and you share more one. You call Nigeria, no? So, we guys are going to penalty great here. Last minute, or penalty here. And ye answering goal for us.
Good answer.
Edward answer. I went to the stadium because he be Sule.
What is it? They say also concert and one man say football and entertainment game a business.
Right.
Nyamia do me anya company a friend Bet Power on Beso and League News as headline sponsors. And che bia na a league in and buy with betting. Am I a banning penny phobia? Sabria Suchi Cocoa. Any betting or problem, any betting sponsor. And you be on 70 and never told my news for parliament. The day I'm more found. about betting a person saying in football. No?
I have my own ideas. Betting. Outfit now best sponsor league. I have my own ideas about that. I know the main kind of studio. So it's for a good reason. Now no, you call Commonwealth Parliamentary Association meeting or Canada. If you know, the whole of last week, I'm Brussels, Belgium. I had serious meetings with the European Union and the European Union Parliament, Belgium for Ankasa, Foreign Affairs Ministry. I had meetings with what is called the OACPS, Organization of African, Pacific, and Caribbean States. I was secretariat for. I had meetings with them. I had meetings with security and also many of them are concerned about betting transparency with respect to money laundering.
Wow.
They have concerns. But they raised it with me, the minority that was with me, and some of the MPs. And we should be careful. Because the world now is looking at Ghana. They are looking at that. They are also looking at real estate development. The source of money is questionable. Until we should be careful, Kakra. I said I make the details, maybe some question. I am fancy here.
Yeah, but boy, World Cup. I'm saying qualify Nigeria, so near sure I'm qualifying to any JPA.
Oh, I was extremely happy. Extremely happy. In the lead up to it, I say, I was looking at two coaches. I'm just meeting a boy. As I say, I'm going to answer her. I'm a boy. Otu, Adu, and then the English.
Chris Horton.
And I'm say, I don't know track record. As a matter of fact, me personally, put your name can say, or no, we be or to be a technical advisor, no, we a head coach. But the reverse in the sea, the two together no, will produce fantastic results. The reason why I'm saying so is, you see, say unya coach or tactical and technical. Combining the two is often very difficult. Unya, a coach was imbued with a dual acumen here. You have the potential to progress. What you say? And when we had Bukad, because our players in the say in a way, these are the players that I believe in. One what don't qualify my Unfortunately, I didn't know the best at cost in the girl. Ye free ho, echo far or to fist a buy. And Corona and Debra no say baby, among your fit for blasters at that time. Anna or no far. Omukofa under 17 or you work at that lamte no money as a because so no more baller. Say Ohano, dribble. So what I say. But you had flank players and we are fast. All bonus of you as a casare no to make. Yeah, they are fan. To Munya Bobia no more as a casare. Almost a quiet down. Because even though technically we're good, tactically it's not there. What I say. And you have Obia on one qualified team from 3rd division, number 2nd division, number 1st division, and they are back Premier. Chris, that is the person you are looking at. Otu, and also being at the back room of Dortmund, even recruitment, when they go to bed failure, who combine his uncle for now? You have mighty results. One at the point in time, because we look at coaches. Those days, na make say. Na Jones tiase atuko efi no tiase na me ka say e be fantastic say e be Jones atuko efi Samuel no coach afrani eni otiende am think e fa sanko for the mienza say coaches and manage blasters ke be results. It never came to pass. And you know free mu aka check it.
Say cash strikers or my Black Stars no more than more was from power. Won't mean yes, I'm watching Dean film.
Yes.
And there are some say a person of World Cup maybe. Who your coach? I will be manable.
It depends on his fitness level. Say, obey fee or yes, or Lagos citizen. What happened?
And to me, I'm more because of fitness issue.
Fitness issue. So you're fit there, or you're fit to keep on winning the game. I wouldn't have much worry. I didn't hear. They won't be paying. Cameroon was going to a World Cup under coach Nipomianchi. So, and at the time, I almost celebrated Arrowhead and Roger Miller. Yeah. But now Miller was caught out of serious competitive football 2 years. People were crying for him, so omuntimi intimation, but omuntimi goals. Never Miller mra. Omo ebe ko World Cup no. Omo ba Ghana, some person na ebe trials. Sunday na ye blasa na dissolve. Until the under 20 those days. And on boy, they play 2 matches. Back home Okuma Stadium, back home Accra Stadium. Omo match be abio, and they call World Cup. 2 no mo buy no. Yen sa ankora no Thomas Boachinom those days. Asian Thomas Boachi mpo no be replace Asian. Thomas Boachi Michael Say Jude Brush and Kyei Abdari Kumanum na do mo ball kuma se ha. We also the results. Omo share and ye titi share omo a afei ye titi na about 10 minutes there afei na ye press omo. So some Tata on one World Cup, all of them were here. Yeah. Roger Miller was with them, but Wamubi, no one can't playing squad no. But now as a more technical team no. The president was insisting say umbe team am vanning down. So under pressure no dey can. But Roger, now you could see his fitness level. So you call Accra no, am training. No. Born konje no kofa born said what they born be we say Kyei. He still has the skills in there. And they introduced him except that he was a permanent reserve. Obemu pe no the magic aba. What you say Obemu pe no the magic aba, to the extent that the first match that they played against Argentina, who were the holders, Mutimi Shomo 1-0. Emma we ntikura mu yi omo goalkeeper Efrim. Because keeper the struggles of the chip on and say one and say bubu and went to me maybe what you say thereafter match be 20 minutes full tally number no be go I say okita talisman no de bemu what you say if Asamoah was our fitness no you dey kwa Roger Miller after the World Cup nan say bimpo a polo num time organize the rest of Africa against Ghana Bobo Accra Stadium. Oh, Caesar Kiki be or this shea go be everybody stood up.
And the skill is still there.
The skill was still there. What you say? Until you say after the World Cup, France club we far no. Na ni agent no. No want to be and signing on. But he played there after the World Cup and he played there for 3 years. And sana permanently. I feel retire permanently. What you say? Until Samoa a bit me fitness level be a bit man lasting about 20 minutes being poor. But it depends on me who no achepa. Me who ni weight if you could do. So a boxer B and or you skills na obro weight. We have 2 days why you know and so invest have no could penny abono. What you say? Because I'm force so draining overnight. You can't have the strength. What you say? That's my difficulty. But it's not for me to judge. Taking care of people know they are there. Some of you say or fitness level. So obetimi and last 20 minutes cry effective there. It depends on them.
Ghana be boy tia Brazil and in Nicaragua September preparation towards the World Cup. Now the trophy back Roma presidency or here anymore. So World Cup trophy back Roma. What expectations for Black Stars at the Cup and the same? Weapons to say the supporters at the Qatar.
Oh, at the World Cup level, no. So what is the here PBR? They were holding bit me, they are fine. But maybe our man knows this Casamedro. I'm not sure, say, ebe serve any purpose be a ferrying be a nipa be thousands yen ko kata. No. At the expense of the state? No. Officials they are on beko. So if you keep people maybe even the old footballers need be a more blaster paying bit me as sponsor kakrebi to go and inspire them. So ibisa ya na me pebisa say oh yen for supporters nkwani sponsor supporters say supporters they shame crying there. But I'm not sure say yes yes supporters yen for be supporters be 50 100. If you are taking Crophobia, be supporters be 80 stadium. 90 minutes obey this to inspire the team. So we been so okano no so akwa spectator no hebi. E she wi no born ntwene. Yeah, share am no spectator onye supporter. So what is it? We should look at all these things, but I think that we should also understand that maybe seek as do no. We shouldn't over exaggerate our strength. And he said we mustn't chew more than bite more than we can chew. Okay. So and I'm hopeful. Say, friendly say Mokobono should expose us. So Mokoye Nasi who coaches they are capable. Who loopholes be I think they'll be able to plug them before we go. The important thing that we have to do is South Africa no. As a year against the other teams, they say a way to.
Yeah,
and it was the tactical approach with all of them complementing one another. We support, we lose game and we lose ball and to mop up for him. That's how they played. Each one covering up for the other. Team a bit my no. It's our fitness level we are high.
Fitness no here.
Yes. So fitness level we are high. The team is disciplined. What you say? As a collective, it's difficult to beat you. What you say? And to me, and no, actually say na say no. Oh yeah, born and born no. You come born South Africa now.
Cameroon, African Cup of Nations.
No, and they say it was a disaster. South Africa playing America.
Yeah.
We baller, all hanging on ball, no release it. He moves to space. That is how modern football is played. Okay, so dribble or jeep ball if you open the pressure about. Let the ball run. And also to America. You reduce your own physicality. If say on a deep ball, you can't last for 90 minutes. Ebia, running back to would do baby. A vital man will say, wait the man tries me beating I mean to me for ball no advance. That's why we're not shown. Or change backward do also watching second one no ready ball we move to straight no. That is what should be the guiding aid. I say what person now call you a ball no twitching mu no ben Maradona and also ben Messi. It do not help M team no. But as I'm saying no the rest of it no let's leave them to the coach and hope say on meet me idea. I'm hoping say friend is here they are the very serious friend is a bit more exposing. Remember, before you call ya ne Holland Cowboy.
Yeah.
What do you say? Na Holland for me say omanya means be don't be say omobre. Even that we didn't have our full squad.
Yeah.
And so we managed to hold them. So I call you know. On say Uruguay for ne when they qualified as expense so many Holland Cowboy.
Semi-final.
Na me hopeful say you ke Holland.
Wow.
So that time you know the spirit na bet team ke Holland.
Okay.
Na ke finals for the first time.
Wow.
Unfortunately, you see it's history. Let's move forward.
Leader wa sante kotoko. Now if you area omugina kono in the CAF Champions League. Omo boy tia RC Kadiogo. Omo free Burkina. Na nse na kotoko Sudan ko bo abo omo ne Al Hilal Simba. And no mama come with baby Marco boy. Nsembe na catch asante kotoko.
Again, same Kadiogo you know will be abo pen achebi. When we had gone there to hold them to a goal, I think it's a drawn game. Then you'll be any say over has in the Beshomo. It turned out to be something different. The difference Kadiogo for no be and say Kadiogo was very physical. We're very physical. Sekoto for no momo any control of the ball on how. And do man marking. Or more hammer man marking. We just the second ball and we jam so. What I say?
Yeah.
I find who born or so. They did that for 90 minutes. If you know much. So I feel now I go for o man pe ko for say mo ko ye penny atie kadiogo now you mash you. I just say it's happened before. Tactics are coaches may employ. Let them play as a team. Once they do that, say even almost sizes crying normally Ghanaian players in your sizes nanye. And no here me ko is your train me who go for free Burkina Faso
ni be ba height no Ghana.
We have height. If in Cote d'Ivoire for no bano, we have height and no more physique. Now we Ghana for now say hey. Don't omo blasters no mo ko boy am yi free mu Burkina.
Yeah.
Yeah, fair to say. Patropa. Oh, yeah, one. Just say, just a question. So, one a pride. Just a pim says the grand and all that from now, or the bonafa. What I say? And those people to face them, who hear good tactical play. So, prevent them from moving on the ball. Until training also, to last. What I say? He has a book at a point in time now. He almost Kotokobe 2 seasons. And I say league in the end. Kotoko was going to play Olympics, but Kotoko had beefed up their squad. And the last match, the placards go stadium. So this season is over. Watch out for next season. The next season, Wednesday, a weebi. As we come boy. I mean, the house were formed by. And I got to move there Wednesday. In fact, I'm about Sunday. Sunday na najo. And I'm there bri. We start to say, I'm up a move for a bri mountain. I Peduase mountain, come from near Basuro, And apa, they do so, what cost rubber from twice. Son of a baby, and you may, what's a call? And son of a rest kakra. We are no as a rest kakra, training. Then Wednesday. So they did that Monday, Tuesday. Just 2 days Bukoyena. Ansan go. And I'm Koshe has 3-0. Can Ohene what was the name? No. Mahineba Charles was writing for Ghanaian Times at the time. Was a demolition squad had moved from Kumasi to demolish and extinguish the fire of House of Oak. And that was the opening. I mean, it was a momentous team nonsense music bono. Obi anya ball now because you go fitness.
It's very
that told everything. And that is what I'll commend to them.
What by you bass on Yabian in Ukraine, or more introduce BBA, you who be that and we chrome her. So almost see 10 youth resource centers or Ghana Hina. There be a chance and baby you drew near her in the Musenki baby. You made any action training now so Kaka Aya Ketche. Yes, Shawara, while leader of government business, or more than 4 Tumbi, Mamma Buna or Ghana, na intimate youth resource centers across Ghana.
That's it. That's it.
That's
it. We will ambush you.
That's a part.
It's been a say. My mentor says, "Okay, program, baby, I'm on microphone. We are sports. I didn't know my Mensah.
No, there are only a few. They have multimedia sports in here, like yourself.
That's it.
Sure. Right, so can you move? Sure.
Let's place a bet on this afternoon's game.
And this evening's action, bro.
And 3 more tomorrow. Okay, remember, when I slow down, when I take a break, and I stop chasing losses and stick to my budget, that's when I'm going to have a lot more fun.